So, I know you're curious about this, and since I've done it now, I'll try to describe it. Alright, it's sort of like a sneeze. At first, you feel coming on like it's pent up. It's uncomfortable, but you also kind of look forward to it, and when it happens, it feels good. It's not like bliss or anything, but it's really satisfying, and you have to kind of give in to the feeling.
No, call an ambulance. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so we need emergency people ASAP. He's not breathing. There's a man down, he's not breathing. We're at 2750 Irving Avenue. He's got no pulse, no blood, anything. We just need ambulance fast.
Oh yeah, right after it happens, you get uncertain, like the am I gonna sneeze again, or is it over kind of feeling. And after that, I don't know, I'm not quite there yet. Hey, if I can, I'll come back and like spell things in your alphabet soup.